free to leave for today.
But she can't be in the
still
court.
on.
All right, thank you. Next witness.
Your Honor, people call William Paul Schmidt.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you are about to give in this matter before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Sir, watch your step.
If you would state your name and spell your last name for us, please.
My name is William Paul Schmidt. That's S-C-H-M-I-D-T.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Schmidt, where do you live?
I live at 6288 Branchaw.
Where is that in relationship to the Swan Boat Club?
I'm directly next door to it.
I'm going to show you what is up on the screen is People's Exhibit 9K. Is that your house right there, this blue house directly next to the boat club?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And were you living there on April 20th of 2024?
I was.
And do you know Marshella Chidester?
I do.
How do you know Miss Chidester?
I've known her family pretty much all my life.
And do you know where she lives in relation to the boat club?
I do.
Where does she live?
Approximately 4 houses down.
In which direction? Towards the boat club or past the boat club? Or
On your way to the boat club, it would be the house just a little down the road across the street from the red barn. See that barn that's sitting out there far in the road?
this barn right here?
That's her barn.
Her house is
right
the
across
one
street.
directly across the street, this
Correct.
house here.
Yes,
Okay.
I believe so.
And were you home on April 20th of 2024?
Yes, I was.
And did something draw your attention to the boat club on that day?
Yes, it was a huge sound, pretty much. We heard like something like an explosion, saw kids running around.
And do you know approximately what time that would have been?
About 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
And what did you do when you heard that big sound?
I went to investigate it. There were some kids that used to tear up the parking lot, and I thought maybe it was them. So I wanted to make sure that at least I got it on video and tried to stop them from leaving the scene if it was them.
And what did you see?
I saw a hole in the side of the boat club.
And when you saw that hole, what did you do?
I turned my cell phone on and started recording so I can get evidence for the police, and basically so they can figure out what the heck happened there.
So when you turned your cell phone on, you saw the hole, but you had not entered yet.
I have not entered the hole.
Okay. And did you enter the boat club at some point?
Yes.
How did you enter the boat club?
Through the hole.
What did you see when you entered the hole in the boat club?
Oh, it looked like a war zone. People were laying everywhere, mostly unconscious. The whole side of the building was pushed to the corner of the building.
And you were recording this on your cell phone while this was going on?
Yes, I had a cell phone in front of me as I was walking through the room.
And did you provide a copy of that recording to law enforcement?
Yes,
Have you reviewed that cell phone recording?
I have.
And is it a fair and accurate depiction of what you saw on that day?
Yes,
Do you also have video surveillance on your home?
I do.
How many cameras do you have outside your home?
I had 4 at that time.
At 4 at that time. And where were they located on your home?
They're located on the corners of the house, one in the southeast corner, one in the northeast corner, one at the front door, and one in the garage.
Do any of them face the Swan Boat Club or the road in front of your home?
Yes, the one in the northeast corner faces towards the boat club and their parking lot.
How long have you had this system?
Oh, about 6 years.
And who maintains it?
I do.
And on April 20th of 2024, was it in good working order to your knowledge?
Yes.
All right. Did you review that recording as well around the time of the crash?
Yes,
And you provided a copy of that to law enforcement as well?
I did.
At this time, Judge, the people are moved to admit Exhibits 1 and 2, that is the cell phone recording and the home surveillance video recording of Mr. Schmidt.
Response.
I haven't seen it quite. He said that they wanted to stipulate to a report. I don't know what, I mean, I would.
Are you going to play him?
I could proffer him, Judge. Yes, I was intending to anyway.
Okay.
Okay.
I was gonna just hold off for that, Judge, until they play me identify.
Please play Exhibit 1.
You see, okay?
Mr. Schmidt, that is your home surveillance camera?
Yes, it is.
All right. People would again move to admit Exhibit 1, Judge.
No objection.
People's one is admitted.
Provide a copy of that to the court. Please play Exhibit 2. Mr. Schmidt, is that the cell phone video you referred to?
Yes.
People move to admit Exhibit 2.
No objection.
Pledge 2 is admitted.
Mr. Schmidt, do you see Marshella in the courtroom today?
I do.
Can you please point to her and describe what she's wearing?
She's right there.
I'd like to, Marshella
The record should reflect the defendant, or I'm sorry, the witness identified the defendant.
I have no further questions, Judge. Thank you.
Cross.
I don't have